So if you haven't heard already, I'm hosting a meetup next weekend, Saturday, August 13th at 1 o'clock here at the Killer Burger in Vancouver, Washington. This particular location is the one on 4th Plain Blvd. I'll leave an address in the post down below. But if you'd like to join me, come out and join me. And there's about 15 or 20 of us that'll be here between 1 o'clock and whenever, roughly 4 o'clock. We can have a few drinks, talk lawns and whatnot. Keep in mind though, I am expecting 15 or 20 people, so I can't really afford to buy everybody beers and burgers, but if you want to, Killer Burger is absolutely awesome. It's a little more spendy, but it's a great place to hang out and chat, and we'll meet out on the back patio and hang out for a while. If it's too terribly hot, we'll be inside. If you're in the area, stop by. I have some small trinkets to give away from Yard Mastery, and Brennan from My Soil, one of the owners of My Soil, will also be here to answer questions and talk and hang out. So come join us, should be a lot of fun. We'll see you next Saturday.